Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week we are going to start with mini GT. So this whole week we are going to unbox 5 mini GTs. So let's start with this one, which is my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. So this one is the violet color, here you can see Viola Alitia. I think that's how it is pronounced. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. So I personally started to like Mini GT because it has way better quality than Hot Wheels Premium or whatever comes under that price range. So I bought this for around I think 1,000 rupees. So somewhere around 1,099 if I'm not wrong. So here it is. So here is the box. So this is 1/64 scale. So and here is the Lamborghini hologram. Okay, let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. There is some dust. Wow, this looks better than I actually imagined. So the purple looks really beautiful. It is kind of a glittery purple, and the rims looks really awesome. It's a golden rim, and as usual the rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of a rubber. It's not plastic or metal, but the entire body and chassis both are made of metal. So this looks really awesome. So it has some kind of fiber for lights, and it is a little bit painted on for those hexagonal designs. And even the spoiler is actually made of metal. This is not rubber or something plastic or some kind of thing like that. The detailing looks really nice on this one. I don't know, it has some kind of dust. I don't know how the dust got inside. So it has the bucket seats as you see in the real car. So the tires are actually made of rubber. This is not plastic or anything. So literally every mini GT comes with a rubber tire and metal body and metal chassis. So if it is like a Kaido House collab or something like that, it has some kind of openable parts as well. So if you guys are having any doubts or if you guys are wondering about that. So there is some amount of dust here. I don't know how it came. But this color looks really beautiful. I was waiting to get my hands on this particular color. Luckily I was able to get it. So most of the time I buy from Cars and Dolls. So it's a pretty neat website. You can check it out if you want. Here is the logo. So I don't think they messed up any logo here. Yeah, so this looks really clean. As you can see, the logo here and the detailing is really nice. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. There are neighbors nearby and those guys are doing something. But I still prefer the logos in the Tomicas because it is not only neat, but it is well detailed when it comes to Tomica's logos. But overall this piece is really beautiful, and it is a little bit weight to it. It is not that heavy like a Tomica, but this looks really beautiful. It's really a nice piece. So as usual, let's do a roll test. So I know these are not supposed to be played with, this is a collector model, but it still has rolling wheels. So let's do a roll test. It is not rolling at all, but the wheel has a certain level of wobble, if you guys can able to see it, especially the front wheel. But I'm happy, at least Mini GT is allowing you to roll the car. If you take this Eno 64 or Para 64, those wheels are not even rollable. It is just fixed because it is supposed to be a static model. But I appreciate Mini GT for this, because they are at least allowing us to roll the wheel, even though it is not good. But anyway, we are not going to play with this collector model. We are just going to keep it in our showcase or in this box itself. So I'm really happy with this one. So there are some engine detailing here, but you can't able to see anything here because it's fully closed. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.